Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Calvin Raab. So from the title of the video, you can see that I have quit using Robinhood Gold, or at least a lot of the margin that I had been using previously. And in this video, I'm going to go over exactly why I did that as far as a concept and my theory about it. And then we'll also look at the numbers to explain exactly why I did it. And then at the end, my little caveat and exactly how much gold I will be using, because I will be using a little bit, but not nearly as much as I was before. So let's jump into it. All right, so let's get down to business. What's the main reason I'm stopping a lot of my Robinhood Gold? Well, it really comes down to, as I look over the economy as a whole and the part of the cycle that we're in, I don't think it's a very good idea, in my opinion, to be in a lot of margin and be borrowing a lot of money like this, because I believe right now we are at the top of the business cycle and it is about time that we start dipping down. And when the economy starts to go down, the last thing you want to be on is leverage stocks or having margin, because it can really hurt you. Because essentially what margin is it's borrowing money to invest. So when the stock market is going up, it's great because you're making money on not only your money, but you're also making money off of that borrowed money. So you're making more money than you would had you just had your normal account. But then the inverse of that is when the economy is going down, you're losing money because of your personal portfolio, but you're also losing money because you have a whole lot more money in the stock market because you borrowed a lot more. So your losses are a lot more drastic. Plus you're also paying a monthly fee. So it's great when the economy is going up, but when the economy is going down, it's just not a good situation to be in. And since I believe it is time for us to have another market correction, I think it's best for me to get rid of a lot of my gold right now before things start to dip down. So it's better to prepare for a correction or a recession when the economy is good than have it be too late. So this is just part of me investing a little bit more conservatively as I prepare for a market correction. So that's kind of the theory behind why I'm stopping a lot of my Robinhood Gold, but I want to go into the numbers exactly to see kind of my rationale behind it. So let's take the example of $3,000 in Robinhood Gold. So on average, the stock market will go up about 7% year over year. So let's do 3,000 times 7% or 0.07. And you'll find that that is $210 that you would be making every single year. So that's how much we'd be making on the margin account. Now let's look into how much we're actually spending. With the new Robinhood plan, you are spending 5% every single year as you borrow that money. So $3,000 times 5% or 0.05 is going to be $150. So now we can take that 210, how much we made, subtracted by our 150 or in our fees, and 210 minus 150 is going to be $60. So that means if the economy is doing well and all that, you're going to get about $60. Now if you divide 60 by 12 per month, that means you're making $5 a month by having this margin account, or $5 in profit. Now here's the thing, you may say, oh, $5, it's better than nothing, why wouldn't you just use Robinhood Gold? Well, we have to remember that I use 7%, and since I think the economy is going to go down, I don't think it'll be pushing out 7% every single year in the stock market. 7% is its average over time. It goes up, it goes down, sometimes it's 10%, 12%, sometimes it's -3%, and sometimes it's nothing. And since I think the economy is going to go down, I don't think I'm going to be getting 7% in the coming years. So that means then I would not be making enough, most likely, if I were, say, only getting 3% or 2% back. So then it wouldn't be worth it. Plus another thing to think about is it is only $5 a month. And with this margin account, especially in the economy we're in, comes risk. There's risk of my account going down and losing a lot of money. And personally, I don't think getting $5 a month is worth the risk in the current state. Now, if I believe that we were kind of at the bottom of the market and things were going to shoot up and the market was looking very bullish, then I would probably get as much margin as I can, because I want to ride that hill all the way up and I want to get as much money as I can. But since things are looking a little bit down, it's just that time that I don't think $5 a month in profit or potential profit is quite worth the risk. Alright, so now let me go over the one caveat. Yes, I am getting rid of my Robinhood Gold, but I am keeping just a little bit. And that's because Robinhood introduced their new $5 a month Robinhood Gold plan. With that, you get $1,000 in margin. Now, I did say I was getting rid of a lot of my margin, but there is a couple of the things that this $5 a month gives you. It also gives you in-depth analysis on market research brought to you by Morningstar, another third-party company. You also get level 2 market data with this $5 a month on top of that $1,000 margin. So I will probably keep that. This is brand new. Robinhood actually just released this, and if you guys are not too sure what this new Robinhood Gold plan is all about, I made another video all about the new Robinhood Gold plan. But I will be keeping this $5 a month plan just to get those other bonuses, plus I will be getting $1,000 in margin, so I will be investing that. But I do like the different market research and things like that. However, if down the line I don't think it's worth it, then I'll get rid of that as well. But the bulk of my margin that I was using before, I am going to be getting rid of it. I have in the process of setting very strict stop loss orders, so a lot of it will sell, and then when it sells, I will get rid a lot of my margin. But that will wrap this video up. I hope that was a decent explanation to why I am getting rid of a lot of my Robinhood Gold and how it's all about in the current economy we're in. I just don't think it's a good idea to be on margin. Margin in itself is risky, and since I think the economy is going to go down, I want to just cut my losses while I do have profits and then just really prepare myself for this market correction. So then this turns it to you guys. Are you guys investing margin in the current economy that we're in? Or are you guys starting to invest a little bit more conservatively as well? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be going through there and I'll be reading those, and I would just love to hear what you guys have to say. But that will wrap it up, and yes, that is why I am quitting a lot of my Robinhood Gold. I think it is just not the time to be involved with it right now. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, my name is Calvin Raab, and here I make videos all about personal finance, and I do that because I believe that personal finance can be fun. So if you're interested in personal finance at all, I would love it if you would subscribe, and when you do that, you will find new videos every single Monday and Wednesday and Friday all about personal finance. So thank you to all my new subscribers. It's great to see you there, and all my longtime OG subscribers, it is always good to see you too. I hope to talk to you guys in the comments. Have an awesome rest of your day, and good luck in the markets, guys. You guys are awesome. Have an awesome rest of your day. And as always, my name is Calvin Raab, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Boom.